Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to buy Dogelon Mars coin. So this is super easy. The first thing you want to do, go to coinmarketcap.com/currency/Dogelon. You can just find this yourself. Then here is all the information about it, and you want to go to contract, and as you can see it is running on the Ethereum thing. We want to copy the address. The next step is actually a requirement is you have to use Google Chrome. Make sure you use Google Chrome on your PC. Then go to metamask.io, and we are going to be using Metamask on our browser. So go to Chrome, install Metamask. This will bring you over to this page where you can add it to Chrome. Once you've done that, go to the top right and find it. Here is Metamask. Let's open it, and now you want to change this to the main network. So the main network is the Ethereum network that we have to use. So once you've done that, copy the account and then go to BSC Scan. We can just buy. Oh, I'm sorry, skip this. So then the next step, what you want to do, you want to open up a new tab and type in Uniswap. So Uniswap is the swap we are going to be using. Go to the top, hit use Uniswap. This will open the app, and now we have to connect our wallet, which will be the Metamask wallet, of course. Now it's going to connect, and there we go. It's going to connect, hit next, connect, and boom, you just connected. So now we have to deposit some funds into our Metamask. So for now, there is nothing on there, right? So when we go back here, there is no Ethereum. So we have to add some money to this. So we can do this from Binance, from Coinbase, but I'm going to be using Binance for now. If you don't have a Binance account, go to the link in the description and create it from there to get a bonus. So let's go to the wallet, fiat and spot, and then go to Ethereum, withdraw, and then add the recipient address we just copied, and then use the Ethereum one. Minimum amount is, do any amount you want. So let's say 10 just as an example. So I don't have enough balance, but just enter in the amount you want and hit submit, right? So once you hit submit, the money will be directly deposited into your Metamask. Like within seconds, it will be here. So then go back to Uniswap and then select from as we did 10 Ethereum, 2 select token, and then type in Dogelon. Oh no, this doesn't work. We have to go to the CoinMarketCap, then copy this, go to Uniswap, paste it in. And there it is, ELON, Dogelon. So we can hit import, and now we get a message straight at your own risk, import. And as you can see, this is the amount of Dogelon you can buy. So obviously I don't have enough balance, but you get the point. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.